Kolkata doctor's rape and murder victim had 10 injuries, death due to throttling and smothering. Aimed widespread outrage over the rape and murder of a doctor at the R.G. Kar Medical College Hospital in Kolkata. The inquest and post-mortem examination report have revealed horrifying details. The report pointed at 10 injuries, including bleeding from the vagina, both eyes, and mouth. The report referred to injuries on face, left leg, belly, right hand, lips, and neck. According to the report, which was prepared around 4:40 p.m. on August 9, there were multiple strands of hair on the mattress which were soaked in blood. The mother of the victim and two witnesses were present at the time of the inquest that was conducted on the direction of Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate. Sealed, a broken pair of spectacles and hair clips were found on the spot. After the inquest, a post-mortem examination of the body was done and the report was shared with the family of the victim. The petition filed by her family members had referred to the post-mortem report which suggested that the death was ante-mortem, homicidal in nature. The cause of the death were referred to a throttling and smothering. The post-mortem report revealed bruises on different parts of the body and signs of sexual penetrations. The body of the doctor was found in the early hours from a seminar hall of the hospital. The rape and murder of on the duty doctors has sparked outrage not only in the state but across the country. The Calcutta High Court on Tuesday directed an investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigations in the crime. The Kolkata police have arrested a civic police volunteer in connection with the crime. The central agency with names of those who they suspect to be associated with their daughter's killing in the state-run hospital. The parents of the woman doctor who was raped and murdered inside the R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital last week have told the CBI that a few interns and physicians of the same medical establishment were involved in the crime, an officer said on Friday. The parents also provided the central agency, which is conducting the probe into the case on an order of the Calcutta High Courts, with names of those who they suspect to be associated with their daughter's killing in the state-run hospital. The parents told us that they suspect the involvement of multiple persons behind the sexual assault and murder of their daughters. They have given us name of a few interns and doctors working with their daughters at the R.G. Kar hospitals, the CBI officer said. The central agency officer said that they were giving priority to questioning the doctors and officers of the Kolkata police who were part of the investigations. We have zeroed in on the list 30 names whom we will be calling for the questioning. We have already started questioning them, we said. The CBI on Friday summoned on house staff 2 postgraduate trains, PGT, who were on duty with the doctors on that night when she was murdered. CBI salute already questioned the officer in the charge of the Tala office stations on Thursday night. The body of the postgraduate train was found in the R.G. Kar Hospital seminar room on August 9. The police arrested in civics volunteer the next day in the connection. The CBI on Friday took the arrested man to the hospitals for the reconstruction of the crime scenes, the source said.